Today we're gonna make a drink for you guys. Stick around to see us make the Siesta Cocktail. It's a Campari cocktail that Derrick gets wicked excited about. I just spoke to myself in the third person.
And I'm not even speaking to him at all.
See?
So
Silence.
it's weird.
Just give him silent treatment. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derrick. That's Ian. We are making for you the Siesta Cocktail. I'm going to sleep.
Jump cut.
There we go.
He's back.
All right. The Siesta Cocktail contains 2 ounces of Blanco tequila.
Don't mind him. He's drunk.
Yeah, of course. Half ounce of Campari. Half ounce of fresh grapefruit juice. 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup garnished with a grapefruit twist, which I'm not gonna do because I'm fucking lazy. Actually, I squeezed all the grapefruit. So.
You're delegating your laziness to me, actually.
You don't have grapefruit?
Yes, but you said you were lazy.
Yeah.
But you're delegating the laziness.
No, that makes me more lazy.
That's
Don't
true.
distract me. Click the bell icon, subscribe to the show, because you don't want to miss any of this craziness. Am I right?
It's about to get offensive, so buckle up.
Yeah. We are usually pretty offensive.
Apparently.
I'm leaving now.
I don't know.
Time. Whoops. What?
Like copy and paste. I have stuff in here that doesn't
Easily
belong here. Our executive producer is Kyle Jorgensen, so that's gonna slide across this thing over
Jorgen
here.
or Jorgen?
Okay, Jorgensen. I forget. There's people from other countries. You can go to patreon.com/CMC if you want to become a supporter of the show. You can go to everydaydrinkers.com/tip if you want, or tips, one of the two. If you want to be, if you just want to use PayPal to be able to donate to us directly. The Patreon account, we've just had, it's like falling. Like people just keep leaving me. So I need to get some new blood in there to help support the show and get us month to month so I can pay bills, pay for a vehicle, pay for my camera, pay for everything. It's either that or I have to start whoring myself to sponsors. And let's face it, I don't get any of those either.
We'll get a job.
I got one of those.
Tonight.
So look, that's what happened. Anyway, so what the hell are you doing?
Overpour. I'm not pouring back in this thing.
This is the thing we do. We do this. Whenever we overpour our citrus, we have to drink it. Or if it's like me and Dan, we can't figure out if it's lemon or lime, we just
I
drink
like
it.
lime juice, but
This drink was submitted by John Spikes. He's in a live stream. We do a live stream once a month, usually at the beginning of the month. Next month it'll probably be around the 3rd, if that's a Saturday. First Saturday of August, I think, is going to be the day. We're thinking to do a mezcal drinks, mezcal month. Every recipe we do will be posted on a Thursday. This month might be different, only because I have a couple extra videos to slide in there. You can shake it like a bitch or something. Is that offensive?
Like a Polaroid picture.
Like a Polaroid picture.
I'm offended by your musical taste because it sounds like it came from a song that I wouldn't listen to.
But you wouldn't know because...
I wouldn't listen to it.
Question of the day. What was the first album you owned and what was the medium?
Get a grip on... No.
Get a grip. Aerosmith?
Yeah, but no, I had
CD?
You said medium. That was my first CD.
And media. On your first media.
I
Mine,
had a 45 of
45.
Queen?
We built this city on rock.
No.
Starship? Jefferson
Starship,
Starship? Or Starship? Mine,
That was my tape. I had a Billy Joel tape, I think.
so did I. Mine was a Billy
I
Joel
love
tape.
that color.
Mine was a taped Billy Joel tape that was written on Billy Joel, 52nd Street. I didn't know what... The other side was a...
No DRM whatsoever.
No, it was like a
No.
black tape that I got from like my mother's
look.
boyfriend had a bunch of tapes he said I could record over. Shut up. And and it was Billy Joel 52nd Street Black Market Edition. My first actual one was probably from the one I can remember the best, 4, was Michael Jackson Thriller on tape. Motley Crue was in there too. Oh fuck, it's starting to hurt. 4. There we go. Oh, donations deserve high fives. Derrick gets some pain.
That's what happens. Every $5 worth of donation for those of you who are new to the live stream.
Yeah.
I get to slap Derrick in the hand as hard
He
as I
doesn't
want.
slap like a normal person.
You know what's funny though? When I do get high fives from random people, I'm always fucking bracing. And I'm like,
And then you're like, pussy.
yeah. No, I am. I'm like, that's kind of weird.
That's
Like,
kinda weird.
It kind of feels like you might be a little gay on me.
That's your first high five?
Yeah.
How was the experience for you? Would you like to
Yeah.
talk about it?
Dude.
Feels like you just
You think I'm fucking kidding? So, John Spike submitted this, but I think Steven's gonna like it. He didn't submit this
That's
one.
not bad.
So I get recipe at everydaydrinkers.com if you want to submit your recipes. Steven and John Spikes have gone fucking crazy. They've been submitting like recipe like 7 or 8 a day.
There's almost like a little heat on the back.
Really?
I don't know why.
You mean the spicy dryness?
Spicy dryness. Exactly what I'm talking about. How'd you know? Did you read my mind? It's like we've known each other for 20 years.
Dude.
22 years?
Has it been that long?
Yeah, it's been that long.
96, right?
Wow.
I'm gonna
End of 96?
Yeah.
listen. Shut up.
Stop talking.
Don't make me high five you.
This is probably like the best Campari drink I've ever had.
I know, right? Because you can't taste the Campari.
No, you taste it.
Oh, you can? Okay.
You don't taste it?
No, I figured that's what you were going to say.
No, no. It's even got the fucking nice. It looks like a. You know what that looks like?
That color is awesome.
That looks
Fire
like.
and Ice.
No, it looks like a fucking Clover Club.
It does look like Fire and Ice.
Yeah, it's too... Clover Club is...
Pink.
but it's...
Foamy.
yeah.
Well, Cosmo. How's that?
Yeah.
Go with Cosmo Samantha.
Oh, Eric.
Oh, Eric's in the...
All right, sweet. Yeah.
He loves it, see?
See? Fucking A.
Fucking A.
Fucking A, man. No, like, I get a Campari flavor.
Yes.
Flavor!
But the bitterness is
The
like taken
bitterness
out.
isn't
Like
there?
it's almost
No.
like that tequila kind of like
Why?
takes away some of that bitterness for some reason. I don't know
It's
why.
like a salty Campari, grapefruit tart, dry finish with a little bit of a bite. But it doesn't
Yeah.
have the Campari, like, striking...
No, but it's got that flavor. It's good.
Like, right there. Ugh.
In the neck.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah, like when you're not looking, that's my... Dude, like, boom,
Like,
boom!
Stay
Like
there
that.
like that, and somebody
Yeah.
does that to your neck, and you're not
Oh, my
looking.
fucking dojo instructor does that all the time. It's like, I'm like, ah! So now I'm always doing
Maybe
this
just
shit.
wait till somebody did a ton of push-ups, and then a couple days later.
No, I know. I
I
remember that. Yeah, I didn't do
That's
any
all
push-ups this week.
Okay.
4th of July week. Nah, no
Nah.
push-ups for me. I did cannonballs in the pool though. My back hurts really though. This drink is fucking pretty good for what it is. Like, I wouldn't. There's okay. So, did we put Campari in the Division Bell? Well, no. Is that Aperol? There's
I
something.
think it's Aperol. It's
Don't
not
remember.
Campari.
Good drink, Division Bell. It's right here. Recipe.awesomedrinks.com to get all the good ones. So this has like, it doesn't have the smokiness of a mezcal,
No.
which I kind of like. But
Okay.
at the same time, it has that like the tequila, like that I don't
Yeah,
know,
the
citrus,
saltiness.
zesty,
Yeah.
salty, boom.
The agave.
I don't understand why I want to drink that.
You don't understand why you want to drink it?
Yeah, because it's got this in it, and this is my vein. Like, this is Balrog, and I'm Gandalf. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I know what you're saying.
I could fucking come back, and now I'm fucking Derrick the White.
It's like
That's
you're,
not
you're
racist
Kirk
at
and
all.
it's Khan.
Yeah. What? No.
Kirk
yes.
and Khan.
Yeah, I'm like a fucking genetically modified fucking super being. Or am I supposed to be Kirk?
You're Kirk.
Oh, sorry.
Kirk's the good guy, remember?
Oh, yeah.
You can be the bad guy if you want.
You
That's
guys-
cool. It's totally cool.
Speaking of another
Totally,
one.
totally.
I've got the tan for it.
It's
What's
like
that
you're the
guy's name?
Avengers and that's Thanos.
What's that guy's name?
Who?
Isn't he from the Dos Equis commerce? No, it's
The
not.
guy who played Khan?
Yeah.
Roberto
Montalban.
Montalban, yeah. That's
He's
not
got
the
some-
guy from Dos Equis, I don't think.
No, but he's got something, like he does some sort of commercial. Doesn't
sure he
He's
does.
like a manly dude. That's
He's
me.
a pretty well-known guy.
Yeah. It's like I am too.
I'll
People
let
have met
that-
me.
I'll let that comparison slide.
Oh, and the next thing everybody's gonna ask, before I get to my next bullet point, is no, we're not drunk, dude. Like every video this week.
We just loosen up a little.
You guys are
The
drunk.
more we get into it, the more we loosen up a little bit.
I know.
Eric speaking Spanish.
You like the Campari, yeah?
Our
Te gusta la Campari?
I said our executive producer.
Me gusta el Campari.
July 18th, save 18% off at awesomedrinks.com. That's my store. You buy Jennifer packs because I work now. So she does all the packing unless it's on a Sunday or something, then I'll help out. Where you can get simple syrups, you can get fucking bitters, all the shit you need. Look,
Yeah, it's all there.
all
Well,
like
no,
this type
right
of
there,
stuff. This right here.
That's what
You'll
we
get
use.
our used stuff.
At a premium, bitch. No.
Exactly.
Meh.
So,
You mentioned the coupon code.
like 13 seconds ago.
Just checking. Jump cut.
Just jump.
Fucking jump cut.
Drink.
I'm gonna say I suggest this drink because if you don't like Campari, this is your chance to like it. Unless you don't like tequila, then you're fucked. You gotta work up to that. We did all kinds of questions today. John Spikes, thank you for the submission. Good job. I don't remember where you found this, but it was important that I make it because it's good.
Yeah.
But I didn't know that before, so
Hey,
That's what we do here.
We learn.
we figure shit
We
out.
learn together.
We learn so you don't have to. Wait, no, you're learning too. Anyway, on the sidebar, there's more videos. They're probably going to be like tequila or mezcal or something I spoke about. Maybe it'll be cool. Maybe it'll be whatever was in there last time because I was lazy or rushing to work or something. Down below, you can get the bartender starter kit so that you can get making cocktails for the first time. If you just want to get into it, you're so excited about what we did, and you want to experience this joy, that's how you do it.
You need to offer a high five hand slapping kit. That'd be cool.
I need a hand slapping kit. All right, we're teaching you how to drink.